My hair is cute. Ooh, my hair is cute. My hair is cute. But yeah. Hey everybody, it's J Renee. If you are new here, then welcome and hey y'all. And if you are a returning subscriber and or viewer, then welcome back y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in and remaining loyal. So in today's video, I will be doing a braid and curl. So all a braid and curl is, it's like a braid out, but instead of doing that finger coil at the end, I'm gonna be using a perm rod because I know a lot of y'all out there are transitioning or just your hair texture won't allow you to have that little coil at the end. So we're gonna give your hair a little bit of assistance with the perm rod so you can have that cute little coil at the end. And the products that I will be using are from Kelly Logan. So if you saw my twist out video or even my twist out takedown video, you know that I use these Kelly Logan products and that twist out came out so bomb, y'all. It came out so bomb. So if you haven't seen it, definitely go check that video out. I promise you, you won't regret it. I will be using these Kelly Logan products. She does have 3 new products and 2 new tools. So I'll be using those. So stay tuned to see what those products are, see what those tools are, and then so we can get this braid and curl going. I will be using the lock method because all of Kelly Logan's products goes in order of the lock method. So we have L, which is your leave-in or liquid. She has a liquid leave-in. And then you have O, which is your oil to seal in that moisture from the liquid leave-in. And then she has a cream as well, her conditioning curl cream. Then on top of that, I'm gonna just use my styling jelly. Okay, so the first product that we have from Kelly Logan, which is brand new, and as you can see, I've been using the mess out of it. I've used it already, is her leave-in curl refresher, y'all. So it is used to detangle, restore, moisturize, and soften your hair. And I can tell you right now, my hair is super, super moisturized. For that O, Kelly Logan has her new Seal and Shine Mist. It's a really, really light oil, so it doesn't make your hair sticky or anything. And it is used to finish, shine, seal, and moisture, gloss, polish, and refresh. Kelly Logan has this super, super cute edge brush with the little rat tail on the end. She is the one for making this, y'all. I promise you. Like, it got the little comb, it got the bristles for the brush, and it's not no cheap bristles. These are sturdy, okay? Sturdy. So I'm actually gonna give myself this middle part using the rat tail. And then to detangle, I'm going to use, Kelly Logan has a Detangler brush, y'all. As you can see, it's like the Easy Detangler, the Felicia Leatherwood brush, but it's from Kelly Logan and it is super sturdy. I've used this so much already since I've had it and I love it. So as you can see, watch the ease, honey, look. So I love this brush. Definitely get you one. I do have a coupon code. I forgot to mention that. I have a coupon code. It will be right here. It is J Renee. That should be easy to remember if you come to my channel. But yes, you can get you a cute 15% off. Even if you just want to get the brush. If you want to get the brush and the edge brush, some products, I'm telling you, everything that Kelly Logan offers is bomb. So you might as well just get you some money off, right? So use that coupon code that I have. This video is sponsored by Kelly Logan. Thank you, girl. But even if it wasn't sponsored, I would still use these products because they are super, super good. The proof is in the pictures. The proof is in the pictures of the bomb hairstyles. So now I got my L, I got my O, detangled. Now it's time to get my C, which is my cream. So the cream, of course, is Kelly Logan's conditioning curl cream. Y'all, this stuff, it smells good. It smells like coconut. As you can see, it's a thick consistency. My hair really, really loves thick products. So I'm gonna just take some of that curl cream. I'm not gonna do too much because it's not like my main styler. It's just gonna be used to help moisturize my hair. Hey y'all, it's time to start. I have never did a braid and curl before, so we're just gonna keep these fingers crossed that it comes out bomb, which I'm sure it will because I'm using bomb products. But Next, I will be putting Kelly Logan's, look, I already dipped my finger in it. I'm using Kelly Logan's Max Hold Styling Jelly, y'all. So this is used to hold, lay, smooth, define curls, and twist, and in this case, braid. So I'm going to take just a little bit of that styling jelly. I'm gonna use my Detangler brush to detangle. Ooh, smooth like butter, baby, like butter. So I am going to braid my hair. So I braided my hair about like 2/3 the way down, and then I'm going to put some more of that styling jelly at the end. I'm not gonna do too much, because if you use too much of any product, you will get flakes. I don't care if it's the best product in the world, use too much, you will get flakes. So put some of that styling jelly. I'm gonna detangle my hair. Now it's time to get my perm rod, y'all. With the perm rod, you are going to put your hair closest to this end where you have the little rubber band. Then I'm going to just wrap my hair around that perm rod. Ooh, make sure it is smooth. And then I'm going to just clip it here, boop. Okay, so I'm just gonna smooth my hair on that rod. As you can see, it's no frizzies or anything, because you want your end to just be smooth. No frizzies, no nothing, because that's your finger coil at the end. Okay, so as you can see, 2/3 of the way down, putting a little bit more styling jelly on my end. Going to detangle that end. Then I'm going to take my perm rod. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see. Put the hair closest to where the rubber band starts. Then I'm going to just like wrap my hair down the perm rod. As you can see, it puffed up and it's frizzy. So that means that I need some more product. So I'm put some more product on my end. Now you do it again with your perm rod. Take your hair, wrap it around, pretty tight too, because you want it to like stick to the rod. You really want your hair to stick to this perm rod, y'all. Make sure your hair is really smooth on that perm rod. Then you're gonna make sure this rubber part is covering or holding this part. So where the braid and the loose hair that you use for the perm rod start, that's what you want to cover. So, boop, here we go. I'm gonna check it all around. Make sure it's not frizzy. All right, y'all, it is the next day. I did sit under the hooded dryer, what felt like forever, but I don't know how long it was in real life. Then I just kept my hair like this for the rest of the day. My hair is completely dry, at least it should be. And as you see, it looks very good. And I did do my edges, as y'all can see. And I did use Kelly Logan's other new product, which is the Kelly Logan Effortless Edges Edge Control, y'all. So let me show y'all how it looks. It is a pomade. It is very sticky, as you can see. This has a very, very light hold, so it may not be good to use like when it's super hot outside, but on that nice chill day, then definitely use this edge control. But yeah, now let me just do the little reveal of my edges real quick, and then we're gonna get to taking down these perm rods and these braids for this braiding curl. Or should I take them out first? I'm gonna take my this off first, so.
Okay.
As you can see, my edges look very nice. As I said, it's a very soft hold. So if your hair is super curly, I wouldn't suggest it. But if your edges lay like really nicely with any type of light pomade edge control, definitely get this edge control. And it smells real good too, so why not? Cute. Okay, so now it is time to take these down, and I am so excited. Every time you take down any type of like braid out or twist out, anything like that, you need some oil. Oil them tips. Oil those tips, honey. So I have the Kelly Logan scalp oil here that I am going to put on my fingertips. I'm also gonna put it on my scalp as well because it is a really light oil. Let's see, it has castor oil, lavender oil, coconut oil, and tea tree oil. So all good oils going on. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of this scalp oil, put it on my fingertips. Make sure it's closed all the way so it don't spill all over. Okay, actually I could have waited to do this because I gotta take the rods out first, but let me do that. Let's see. Ah. Yes. Look at that curl. Ooh, and it has a nice hold to it. Let me just keep going. Y'all, look how good this looks. Kelly Logan products always make my hair so shiny. Like, look at how shiny this looks. Like, shiny in place to get that good hold. Whew. Now I'm gonna take that scalp oil and put it on my fingertips. Oil them tips. Oil them tips, y'all. I am going to take my braid down. Boop. And as I separate them, I am going to twirl my fingers in the direction of the perm rod. So, okay, look, this is the wrong way, y'all, right? So you know it's the wrong way because it's going like every which way. So then you try the other way so it could be hanging like down. That's how you know you twirled the end of your hair the right way. Again, you have your end. You're going to start separating where that curl and the braid meet. Then you're gonna twirl. It's 3 ends, y'all, because there's 3 parts to a braid. Then you're gonna twirl each end to make sure it is twirled in that right way. And then you just continue to take the braid down. Be very gentle. I do have a takedown video as well if y'all wanna check that out. Super popular. Like, y'all like that video. Thank you. If you watched that, then definitely thank you. The video going kind of crazy thanks to y'all. So yes, I appreciate that. I'm glad I help y'all, you know, take your styles down. Cause that's hard. That's so hard. It was the hardest part. Well, one of the hardest parts of being natural for me. So since I got it, I'm like, let me share. Ooh-wee, this about to be so cute. As you can see, some come out less defined, and as you can see, it got some frizz, but that's okay. That is okay. Ain't nothing wrong with frizz. Come on now. Come on now. Let me just do the other side. Let me just take down the other side so I can live in my full glow. Okay, I have taken down all of my braids from my braid and curl. My hair looks so good. Look out. Come on now. Come on. So look at this. We got the cute coil on the end from the perm rod. So as you can see, even if your hair is like straight at the ends because you're transitioning or your hair texture just doesn't do the coil at the end, you can still put that perm rod and bam, look. Popping. I am going to stretch my hair, then I'm going to fluff it out with my pick as well. Now I am all done. And as you can see, my hair looks bomb, y'all. Look at the close up. Look at this. It looks so good. I got the fluff that I wanted. I still got the curl on the end from the perm rod that I did once as well. So this braid and curl was a super success. And my hair is soft, y'all. So soft, so soft. Kelly Logan products always give you like hold and the softness and the shine that you need. One thing I can say, some spots I did use too much of the saline jelly, so it was a little flakage going on. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But what I did do, I took the, let me get it. I took her Seal and Shine Mist. I put a little bit on my fingers and then I kind of just like put it on my hair. Let me show y'all. So I took this, boom, sprayed just a little bit on there. So I just took it and then I made sure to still coil my end so I could keep that curl. So even though I'm, you know, kind of manipulating my hair a little bit by putting oil on it, I still just, did a little coil. But that's just how I got those little flakes out because they were a little bit annoying. Who likes flakes? Nobody. Kelly Logan is Black owned, y'all. A Black owned hair care business, and her products are so bomb. Again, I do have my coupon code. It was all throughout the video, but you know, J Renee gets you some cute money off. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I can't forget about the hair tools. So we have Kelly Logan's Detangler Brush. Yes, as you know, this works so good. Or maybe you don't know, so that's why you gotta get one. Then her edge brush with the rat tail at the end. Super convenient. I can't wait to do some hairstyles with this. So definitely check out Kelly Logan's website, see which products or tools that you want, purchase it, get some money off, and you will be popping. Also want to shout out other Black owned businesses that I am representing throughout this video. These beautiful lashes. I will leave her link below so y'all can get some of these lashes. I cannot remember the name of them right now, but babies. Earrings, as you can see, they are green. What? Found them on Instagram, popping. Let's see, what else I got? My lip gloss. This lip gloss, soft. It's just so pretty and it feels so good. My shirt, let me show y'all my shirt. As you can see, it says Black Curl Magic. I also found her on Facebook first, and then I went to her Instagram. If you have a Black owned business and you are watching this, definitely put your link down below, put your Instagram, however you promote and market yourself, leave it down below because you never know, you can get you some cute little business. But yes, y'all, I love my hair. My braid and curl using Kelly Logan products was a complete success, and I am so happy. Let me my hair is cute. My hair is cute. My hair is cute. But yeah, definitely check out Kelly Logan. Again, thank you so much, Kelly Logan, for sponsoring this video and for giving me these very bomb products, for always giving me bomb results. Every time. I cannot go wrong with Kelly Logan, period. So get y'all some. But yes, that is it. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.